Skadoosa. Howdy, howdy, all you absolutely gorgeous individuals. My name is HardDuckMan, and today, I wonder what we're doing. It's a horror game, of course. My specialty. I love getting my ass spooked. This one's called Spukhaus. I'm pretty sure it's about like a little creepy amusement park, and the girl's gone missing. I don't really know. I'm gonna be completely honest. I didn't read the description much. I thought we'd just kind of hop into it and see what it has to offer. Hello? I'm going home. Fuck that. The kid can die. Okay, it's just wooded forest. I gotta go in. Who the fuck would design that? Look at that horrifying mouth. Popcorn. I want popcorn. It seems very, very nice. The popcorn seems fresh. Where's everybody? Little girl, keep screaming. I'll follow your voice. It's chill. Don't worry. Oh, fuck you. Oh, you want me to go in there, huh? You want me to go in there? I don't like clowns. I don't like clowns, okay? They're just weird. Remember when I was a little kid and my mom forced me to go up to a clown and take a picture with it? It was just odd. Like the big red noses. Now I'm going down a dark corridor into a clown's mouth. This... Oh, is that a... What the fuck was that? The thing just disappeared. What do I... What? Play with me? Why the fuck do you gotta write it like that? Oh, you just... Okay, I just gotta walk in. I'm sure this is gonna be... nothing but happiness, huh? Yeah. I'm sure about that. Honey! Oh, no. After playing Bioshock 2 and having to take care of the little sisters, my fatherly instinct has been kicked into place. Honey! Dad's here! Dad's here! I want the hammer. Dad's here! Hello? Hello? Oh my. Oh no, what are these? What is this? What is any of this? Why is the music going quiet? I hate this. Hello? What the fuck is that? Honey! We gotta go home. Your mother's gonna be pissed. Your mother's gonna be pissed, hon. Your mother's... Okay. Bye. You can teleport now? That's fucking sick. Now when Dad gets home from work, you can teleport and grab me a beer. Yeah. I'm an alcoholic father. No, I'm not. I'm not an alcoholic father. What? Enter code. Oh, of course there's a code. 8. Oh, that's very inconspicuous codage. What the fuck? Hello? I'm just getting paranoid. Oh my god. Okay. 1. Okay. 1, 0. Yeah. 8. I'm obviously missing a number. I hate that with a fucking deep passion. 108. Oh, is it just a 3-digit? I'm so used to everything being 4 digits. 108. Huh? You playing games with me? Playing games with me? I don't like it. I don't like any of it. I actually despise this place. I despise it with my entire soul. My soul. What even is that? What kind of sick, disgusting little fucking toenail eater would draw that? Am I missing something? Am I going crazy? Am I being stupid? I feel like I'm being dumb. Maybe 108 and then the number of posters? I don't know. 1087? Maybe? Big, huge, big boy brain. 10887. Huh? Bro, your code's locked. I'm out of here. It's not working. I gotta go back. Gotta look for other posters. Maybe there's other posters, huh? Yeah? Maybe you decided to put more clown pictures around here. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did, you sick fucking tinkly toes. I really have to use my big boy brain because just... I don't know. I'm feeling stupid right now. I'm feeling real dumb. They're not gonna make it super complex. It's gotta be in this poster, right? What? It is a fucking 4 right in front of my eyes. Right there. Oh my god. Whoa. I am going insane. I am. 1480, huh? 1408. Why does the door open so slowly like that? I hate you. Honey! Dad's here. Hey, what's up, big boy? You work here? You seen a little girl? About, yay big. She's, screams a lot. She's a girl. No? Yeah! Just fucking move out of the way. Sure, my guy. What the hell is that? Oh... Monkey! What did they do to the monkey? Why does he look like mushed up mustard? What happened to the mustard monkey? Oh, I hate this. I hate it. I hate it. Why is there so many clowns? I hate clowns. I hate this. I hate this. Oh no, it's a dead end. It's dead end. It's a dead end. I gotta go this way. No, no. Hello there, my friend. I'm guessing I follow you, right? Because that seems like the most sane thing to do. Guys, don't worry. Boo. Oh, yeah, I'm out of there. No, I'm not looking at that. Do I go up to it? At first I go up. What the fuck was that sound? Is someone tearing and ripping? Don't rip the playhouse. That's strictly against company policy. Am I turning it? Am I doing good? Okay. I'm leaving. Okay. I hate this. I don't like anybody here. Is that my daughter? My beautiful fucking daughter who ran away. Let's get out of here, hon. Oh, no, Dad doesn't want to be here no more. Why do you sound like that? Are you doing crack? Are they feeding you crack? You feeding my daughter crack? Huh? You crackheads. Feeding my daughter crack? Come play with me? Fuck you. Fucking splotch paint the clown. Oh, there's another one. Terrific. Nah, I'm gonna not go there. I'm gonna not go there. I'm gonna go this way. Honey, I'm gonna be in big shit. They're gonna be in big old poop. My heart, I need to breathe. Whew, whew, whew. Not like that. None of that. Damn, girl, you got lingerie? Nice. Not as good looking as my beautiful girlfriend, though. My gorgeous girlfriend. Hey, Mr. Clown. Do I keep following you? Of course I do. Why would I not follow the fucking clown? There's gonna be a guy behind me. Guy behind me. Guy behind me. Guy behind me. Hello. Hello. Hello, Mr. Clown. Hello, Mr. Clown. Where are you? You're gonna be around this corner somewhere. They're trying to spook my butt. They're gonna try and spook it. Trying to eat my butt. Hey, dude. I'm gonna catch you. No, don't you slip away from me, you fucking motherfucker. Get back here. Get back here with my daughter, huh? Where's my oh, you're just leading me into dead ends. You motherfucker. Oh, that seems good. Hey, honey. You look a little pale. You look a little pale. You need some sunlight. Come play with me. Yes. Yes. Oh, this reminds me of Fallout. Oh, okay. This reminds me of Fallout 4 Nuka World all over again. When are the ghouls gonna come out? When are the new ghouls gonna come out? What the fuck was that? You got a stereo problem? Ah, yeah, laugh, laugh, laugh. Not that door. Not that door, huh? Okay. Just laugh all you want. Laugh all you want. Oh, it's a dark. Hey, honey bunny. Hey, my little doll. Hey, sweetie, let's go home. Ah! Oh, that's it. I found my daughter. Wow, I did it. Now I know the game was, you know, a little short. That's all right. And you probably think with all that creepy stuff going on that I probably got murdered. Guys, no. As you can see in the picture on the game, says together again. She's doing great. Great kid. Great kid. Wow. That was really short. I didn't expect it to be that short, but for what it was, I like that. I like it. It wasn't the scariest thing. I didn't get scared as much as I thought. I thought there was gonna be a lot more jump scares than there was. But just the whole clown aesthetic itself was enough to scare me shitless. I feel like a few more little scary scares And that could have been very good. Decent game though, decent game, especially for a game jam made in, I think, 48 hours. So, with all that said, thank you for joining me in that fun house looking for my daughter who doesn't know how to hold my hand. She likes running. She's a runner. She's a track star. What can I say? But make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to be reminded whenever I post something new, please turn on post notifications. I appreciate it very much. So go do it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, peace. Adios. See you later, alligator. Peace.